we are going to do a lot of short, quick videos showing you how to do one thing with Excel. You can watch these again and again and again until you're comfortable with whatever the formula or action that we're doing is. We're going to start, this video is for PCs, and we're going to review how to do averages. Let me share my screen and we will get started. Okay, so over here I have a list of random numbers. I have 50 total numbers and I want to know what the average of these numbers is. So in the cell 51, A51, I'm going to hit the equal sign, type out average, open parentheses, and then I'm going to click and drag the whole way up to include all of the numbers. Close parentheses and enter. And the average of those 50 numbers is 502.02. Let's do it again. And we can do it this time by typing in everything ourselves. So again, we're going to have equals average, open parentheses, and we know that it starts at A1. And then I'm going to hit the colon, A50, and close parentheses. And that will select all of those numbers as well, getting us to 502.02. Okay, and that's how you do averages in a Microsoft Excel form on a PC. Thanks, everybody.